Welcome to the course Learning Sketchup for Beginners. My name is Todd Wilburton, and I have been using this software for almost 10 years. I was introduced to it as a kid and have enjoyed it ever since. As the course name suggests, the tutorial series is intended to be easy. Being the instructor, I have done my best to visually show you how to use every essential tool and how to complete your first mini project step by step. After completing this course, you will know the software well enough to show off a new talent at work or design something you have always been trying to visualize. The course is broken into two main components. First, you will learn each essential tool one by one. Then, you will create from scratch a complete mini house both inside and out. If you are a person who has recently felt that being able to draw 3D architecture would be a huge asset to your bag of skills, then this course is for you. And don't worry, this course is simple. So thank you for considering to learn SketchUp with this course. SketchUp is a very valuable skill to have, so why not begin learning SketchUp today?